Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is an operating system exception was caused by system memory. So if you are receiving this error message on your Dell G series computer, that is Dell G7 17-inch 7700 model number. So if you have this model number, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run hardware test. To run hardware test, go ahead and shut down your computer, then start your computer and immediately keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard, which will take you to the diagnostic screen. Select diagnostic, hit the enter key. It will start running the hardware test. To learn how to run a hardware test on your Dell computer, you can visit this link. I have made a separate video for this. So visit this link and then run the hardware test on your Dell computer. If you receive any kind of error message while running the test, then please go ahead and contact Dell. They will let you know if there is any hardware failure. They will go ahead and tell you how to replace that particular part. Now the next step is to update the system driver. To update system driver, copy this link, go to Dell website, enter the service tag number of your computer and then click on search, or you can click on browse all products, then select laptops, then select G series, then Dell G7 7700, click on it, go to drivers and download, and then click on detect drivers, and if there is any pending update, it will let you know and you can go ahead and download and install that driver from your Dell website, and then restart your computer and then that error should go away. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and revert the BIOS to version 1.2. So this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So go to the Dell website, select a model number, go to drivers and download. Under category, click on it and then select BIOS. Click on this down arrow and then click on older version and go ahead and revert back to 1.2, that is 1.2.0. click on it and then you can go ahead and click on download file and then run this exe file to update your to downgrade your system BIOS. Now before you downgrade the system BIOS, make sure the battery on your computer is more than 10% and the charger is connected to your Dell computer. And if you have any external devices connected to the computer, disconnect all the external devices. So if you have any external hard drive, flash drive, printer cable connected, go ahead and disconnect. Make sure battery is more than 10% and the charger is connected, and then run this exe file and then follow the on-screen instruction to update the BIOS. Now during the BIOS update, your system will restart. Now when it's updating the BIOS, do not unplug the charger cable and do not turn off your computer, because that will go ahead and damage your computer. So once the update is done, the system will restart. You will see the login screen and you should not receive this error message again. Now still you are facing the problem, you can go ahead and do a clean installation of Windows. To do a clean installation of your Windows, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Go to this website and here you can see the steps how to do a clean installation of your Windows. Now before you do a clean installation, make sure that you create a backup, because you will lose all the data and application on your computer. So you can go ahead and create a backup, then you can go ahead and do a clean installation. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.